lost in an unknown. Fell headlong into the arms of the force that stirred me, unsteady to steady heart, and took me to a place I've never been, a place I've never been since. Stopped hoping at an early age, stopped guessing at an early age, start accepting things from day one, and then things can't go too wrong. Just let them walk all over you, laugh through the punches and the pain, let the lifeblood drain away from you. They're right, you're wrong.
Happy Street, free milk for us all. It was the right place to be sure. Those dreaming spires and yeah, oh so pastoral. But let's hope it's not just luck and strange. A one-off, peaceful, golden age. That's a dark thought in the dark. Seek what you won't find. That is a wasted life. Or so the ancients drop by to tell me. They drag me dry, but my oh my, so far. Quite the time to be born. Six-string masters of an expanding universe. It was a high time to be sure, soaring and free from the bounds of the earth. But let